Hey guys, welcome to Ju Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to print from laptop and PC to printer. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to, of course, make sure that the printer is now connected into our device. So to do that, just go here on the search bar and then search for printer and then click on open. And then in this part, you would now be able to see all of the printers right here. However, if you don't see your printer, all you have to do is to click on add device. And then after that, Windows will now automatically detect any printers right here. However, if you don't see it, all you have to do is to just click on add a new device manually. So in that way, you can add your printer. So once you've added your printer, what we're going to do next is to go into any browser or file that you want to print. So let's say, for example, that you want to print this document right here. So all you have to do is to just open this and then just click on file right here. After that, we're just going to look for the print section, which is right here. So we're going to click on print. And then in this part, this will pop up. After that, for the printer, all you have to do is to just choose the printer that you want to use. So let's say, for example, that this is our printer right here. And then for the copies, if you want to have multiple copies, of course, you can change this if you want to. And then for the pages, if you want to add all of the pages or the odd pages only or even pages only, it's up to you also. So I'm just gonna click on all right here. And then for the color, if you want to make it color or just black and white, it's also up to you. And then after that, we also have here more settings if you want to. So this is where you can change the paper size. So if you want to change it, you can click this one right here. And then for the scale, if you want to put the actual size, it's also up to you. And then you can, of course, change this a bunch of options that you can see. After that, once you're now done with this, once you have now confirmed that this is the file that you want to download, just click on print right here. And then after that, if you look into your printer right there, you will now be able to see that this document is now being printed. So that is basically it.